Good day, I'm Stephen McHugh, and this is your JIS News for Tuesday, October 25, 2022. Road rehabilitation work is set to begin on the Friendship to Hurlock Corridor in St. James in the coming days. Prime Minister Andrew Holness signed a $163.5 million contract at Jamaica House on Monday to accommodate the work. He says the roadway will be built to accommodate the large volume of vehicles that use the area daily.
But one of the things that I will be paying special attention to is that in the contract, the depth of asphalt that will be used will be twice the usual amount. Why? Because of the heavy axle weight that this section of the road will use in taking trucks and heavy equipment that will traverse from the various quarrying activities.
The project is being executed by the Ministry of Economic Growth and Job Creation through the National Works Agency in partnership with the Tourism Enhancement Fund. The Class C corridor spans 19.7 kilometers and connects rural sections of the parish to the city of Montego Bay. To date, 2 phases have been completed, with work under Phase 3 estimated to cost $293.5 million. Initial work under Phase 3 captures approximately 1.8 kilometers of road repairs. Prime Minister Andrew Holness says investors continue to display confidence in the Jamaican economy. This follows the latest investment by Chinese tech giant Huawei to the tune of $300 million. The company opened its newest office location at 97 Hope Road in Kingston recently. The complex spans about 9,000 square feet with digital low-carbon solutions and a modern work environment for staff.
The investment will be of benefit to both Jamaica and the region. We welcome this investment and commend Huawei for taking this decision and look forward to their continued growth in Jamaica and in the region.
Huawei has been operating in Jamaica since 2007 and provides indirect ICT jobs for more than 300 persons on the island. Meanwhile, Minister of Industry, Investment and Commerce Senator Aubin Hill says Jamaica's strong fiscal performance and business environment is getting positive international recognition as the country continues to recover fast from the COVID-19 pandemic. He says the positive impacts of this are being seen in the global bond market.
So amazing has Jamaica's fiscal performance been that in a recent publication by an international cable news service and a big American bank, it found that among emerging markets nations, Jamaica is rated the highest among the Caribbean partners in terms of current additional risk premium the market would seek to attach for holding different countries' bonds.
Minister Hill was making his contribution to the State of the Nation debate in the Senate last Friday. He says Jamaica's corporate bonds are rated higher than some investment-grade bonds, with only 9 out of 39 countries ahead of Jamaica on a list of emerging markets for the assessment of risk during the period of the pandemic.
4 of them are oil-producing countries from the Arabian Gulf, and only Israel, South Korea, China, Philippines, and Indonesia are ahead of us. None from the Caribbean, none from Latin America. No matter what you call them, no matter how them tell you them good, Jamaica is ahead of all of them, and our risk premium for this area is 121 basis points.
A database has been established to allow certified tourism workers to better connect with potential employers in the sector. Portfolio Minister Edmund Bartlett officially launched the Jamaica Center of Tourism Innovation JCTI database of certified persons on Friday. It can be accessed through an online portal via the Tourism Enhancement Fund TEF's website. The database allows persons to upload their credentials, thus creating a repository that hoteliers and other stakeholders can draw on for workers. Minister Bartlett says the platform aligns with government's goal to further develop and promote Jamaica's human capital.
When we qualify you and certify you, you should have access, which means nobody should say you cannot, because you would be employed on the basis of your merit. And the merit is your qualification and your experience.
He says the database will also help to guide policy relating to work permits and more. The tourism minister is encouraging certified Jamaican job seekers and employers to utilize the facility to ensure greater equity, access, and merit for employment in the sector. And finally, Minister of Agriculture and Fisheries Pernell Charles Jr. has announced a $22.75 million support package to develop the Agriculture Department at Veer Technical High School. The multi-agency initiative is part of the ministry's thrust to advance support for agriculture in schools across the country and spread the Grow Smart, Eat Smart initiative to all educational levels.
We will see the provision of 200 broiler chicks and 20 bags of feed through the Rural Agricultural Development Authority, valued at $200,000. We are establishing a dairy unit through the Jamaica Dairy Development Board with the donation, hear me now, of 20 heifers, pasture development program, and construction of a milk parlor, all valued at $20 million.
The program will also include the planting of 50 fruit trees and the implementation of a thorough nutrient management scheme valued at $1 million. The Jamaica 4-H clubs will also be making a $500,000 contribution to the school farm. And that's it for JIS News Today. I'm Stephen McHugh. Thanks for watching.